Hi everyone! We know PVACreator is a quite powerful machine that can create massive IDs of social media. But if you're still waiting for a special offer for a plan you are longing for in your wish list, I would say, why not a coupon? It still keep you save a lot of money. Well, if you get trouble to use it, in this video we're going to show you how to use it to save a lot of money for you and your time. Well, firstly, you have to log into this website. Visit the website OFF-PVACreator.com. Well, you'll be saved 35% off at present. Minimize the banner. Find the pricing on the top. Find the social media version, mails version, or Discord version, full version, deluxe version, and so on. There are a lot of versions. You may choose the package or the plan you wish. For example, let's say the social media version. Click on it. Here comes a pop-up. You need to type in your email address, first name and last name. Proceed to continue. You are offered $585 USD at present with a 35% off coupon. But if you have another coupon that can save you more, type it manually or copy or paste in this column. Apply it. See, the prices changed. You'll be saved more. Click on Confirm to proceed your payment. You'll be directed to official receipt, and this is your final offer. Scroll it down a little bit. You'll find the payment methods, whether it's going to be payment, PayPal, credit card, payment wall, or the cryptocurrency. All those methods were accepted. That's what we're going to share for coupon use. If you have more information to query about, check on the video of the following we're going to release, or check on the website. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. I'll see you soon.